So here's one of the Physics 11 investigations I made using the PhET simulation for momentum transfer. So basically, I wanted to give students an opportunity to build an intuition about momentum transfer before going into the formal conservation of momentum section of this unit. What I did was I first gave them the opportunity to explore. Here's the problem: is this lab still runs in Adobe Flash. This isn't one of the ones that they've updated to HTML5, and I really hope they do it soon because I really like this PhET lab. But I give them the opportunity to explore using this PhET lab, which is a great, I don't know what happened there. Great lab that demonstrates simple 1D collisions, and you can change a bunch of aspects of it. It actually doesn't look totally right here. I might have to change this frame size. That's different than the last time I looked at it. But then I gave them some leading questions, so after they sort of play with it, get used to how the lab works, they could then I gave them some specific setups that I wanted them to try to use, and then finally we built a little quiz to test their conceptual understanding of momentum transfer. And again, without that formalized language of conservation of momentum, and without even having gone into collisions in much detail at this point in the unit. So basically we give them a question: which direction will ball 2 move after the collision? And this one's pretty straightforward, and we give them the opportunity to try. Say the student selects impossible to tell, and if it's incorrect, what we do is we link to a little YouTube video here that explains this setup and it shows actually it shows what will happen in this experimental setup or in this simulation setup, and I talk about why you should expect ball 2 to move to the right. And so that was sort of our approach with this, was to give them the opportunity to play with the lab, and then to give them quick formative feedback about their current conceptual understanding with these ideas.